See how it's looking already?
Ooh, and it smells amazing.
Alright, check this out. We're gonna do something real simple today. We just gonna make some crispy chicken wings and we gonna throw them in the oven. So we ain't gonna make nothing complicated. You don't gotta throw nothing on the grill today, on the smoker, or in the frying pan. So what I did, I just bought the whole wings. I like buying the whole wings. That way I can have control of what I want. Let's get you some chicken shears. We gonna cut them down ourselves. See, that's it. Take tip off, just like that. All right, y'all, we got them all chopped up, like hot wing style, like you see at the restaurants. So what I'm gonna do a dry brine. That ain't nothing but salt in these wings, and then we're gonna let them rock overnight. We ain't gonna cover them or nothing. We're just gonna let them sit in there so the skin can dry out and get nice and crispy. And then I'm gonna do a custom little rub, just something I just want to try and put on there with no salt in it, since I'm already putting the salt on here for the brine. It's gonna go in the fridge. See y'all tomorrow. All right, we're gonna make up a little rub for these chicken wings. I'm just throwing stuff together. I'm freestyling, y'all.
What's that you're using first?
I'm just getting this fresh ground black pepper going. Since I gotta use manual labor to get it going.
Your muscles popping.
Some sugar. Ginger's pretty strong herb. That's about enough right there. A little espresso. It's like,
Damn.
give a little hint of, I said, man, we're getting that little extra flavor from.
Mm-hmm.
A little garlic powder. A little ground turmeric. Another strong spice. For the strong spices, we just want just like a hint. Parsley, chili powder. I'm just having fun, like a little kid in the kitchen. A little cayenne pepper. Get a little heat. We're gonna go some paprika. Just eyeball this. Onion powder, bacon powder. So that's gonna help everything coat on the wings real good and help getting it crispy in that oven. It's my chicken mix. It is the next day. Just got back from work. These chicken wings are nice and dried out. Skin nice and airy. They're ready to be crispy. Got that oven at 425 already on the convection roast. Yeah. We want these to be so good. We want to be closing our eyes eating them. Put a little ham on the wings themselves. These are nice, juicy ones. See, that's why I like to buy my own wings, buy them whole, pick them out, cut them up myself. See how many of these wings we got? We got some wings on here, baby. See, I like the way that's looking. We about to go to the oven with these. Going up in there, throw this in the middle. Ooh, looking good. So we did the 23-minute mark. Now we just gonna flip them. Make sure you get that other side crispy. See how it's looking already?
Ooh, and it smells amazing. It already got a crispy crustiness on one side. I can't wait.
Alright, y'all, put them back in the oven. I may cut the fire down to 400 degrees so it doesn't like get too scorched, because we do got sugar in here. So I'll be right back. While we wait, ladies and gentlemen, we just gonna do up quick guacamole. Throw that little lime up in there. A little garlic powder in there. A little heat. Jalapeno pepper. Just a tad. Then we're gonna throw, I ain't got no fresh cilantro, so a little dry cilantro. I got like little onions that I have. Sliced and diced. Yeah. Nice and green.
There you go.
Alright, y'all, we took them off. You know, all together. We did about like 41 minutes. You know, look at that. Nice and crisp up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Stuff looking good. Oh God. That's the house barbecue sauce. You won't believe that they were bacon.
That's good eating.
That was the soft there. Nice and crunchy. They come out there nice and easy. Alright, y'all. I'm about to finish up eating. Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.